See? It's Jenny's day to be a tourist. And wouldn't you know, I brought the heat. Hi, I'm Jenny, and today I give you me as a tourist in Death Valley. I need to go get something real to eat, I think. So let's go down to Furnace Creek because I have a few hours to kill. I really don't want to do anything else right now because I'm so warm and just beat. I've never hiked this much in so many days in a row. I love you. Walk. I am pooped. I hiked 6 miles already today. This afternoon. That way is home. This way is Furnace Creek. Guess what we're going? Furnace Creek, of course. Furnace Creek, of course. Let's get going here. And let's go stop by the visitor center first. It's not very far from the turnoff. I think it's like a mile. So let's go to the visitor center. There's the gas station. I'm not sure. There's the Jeep rentals. And then this is the visitor center. Furnace Creek Visitor Center. There's all kinds of things here for you. Now, if you've never been to the visitor center, for sure you should come and get a map, or you can take your picture in front of the thermometer. There's a lot of stuff inside of there that you can do. Looks like we will have a spot in the shade, and I want the one on the end is for me, because then I don't have anybody next to me, which I appreciate. Ooh, okay. I do know this is one of the only places that has some shade, covered shade parking. So that's where I am. I need some food, and then we'll hop in the visitor center because I need a couple more smush pennies, and I want to take a picture with a thermometer. Again, I love thermometer pictures. I have many of them. The best one though I have is 134. That one's pretty cool. If you haven't seen that video, I have a video of that. The good word is here. They are everywhere. I've seen them all over the place, but this one's got to take the cake. So I'm sitting in the lot with my tuna and crackers and my snacks. I am gonna treat myself to an ice cream because I think they're open again, because they only open towards the weekend. So I am going to treat myself to an ice cream. It's probably gonna be 20 bucks, but it's gonna be so worth it. I only got one more left for my next hike, and bye-bye tuna crackers. Got a slight headache, so I'm just taking it easy. I'm gonna go in the visitor center here in a minute and show you around. The other thing is, you come to Death Valley in the summertime or spring, so many people rent convertibles. It would be kind of neat to go through the desert in a convertible. I think. I could be wrong. Not sure. There are non-shaded picnic tables, which I always find fascinating. I feel like there needs to be more shade in life. And There's the parking lot. I don't know what they're doing. I guess they're stopping, so I'm gonna go. Oh, that's cool. You can get a map. If I take my park pass in, there are restrooms, and this is where you come and fill up water. There's a water filling station, drinking fountains, big gallon water. There's restrooms. That's the hallway to the little picnic area that I like. I am going in here. There's a general map. That's kind of fun. I'm here. Oh, and it's got the junction. And it's got Tonopah. And it's got all the places that I've been visiting. Isn't that fun? Oops, I should move the camera down. It's got all the places that I've been visiting this trip. Waiting in line. Talk to a ranger. Okay, there's a penny machine. T-shirts. There's all kinds of stuff. There's an auditorium back in the corner. That's where they give classes. Right here. Got this cool structure.
Where's the bad water thing
at? Now I'm going into the museum that I've never been in. Oh my gosh. They've got like a, oh, they're gonna show me the sounds that the animals make at night. This is really neat. Look at, see what happens when you don't come to the visitor center? Yes, you can see Las Vegas from the top of Dante's view. This is a really neat little museum. I'm having so much fun being a tourist. Why was I never a tourist long ago? Really, I don't want to show too much more because you need to come and check this out. But so much cool stuff. I need to bring the kids back down here. I want to see the survival strategies too. We got a mining exhibit. Borax. Seriously, Jenny, how have you never come into this place? I do not know. My favorite kind of advertising, vintage. Okay, we got about an hour before I have to get back over to where I need to be. So I'm gonna come out this way so I can show you the thermometer. I guess it's not that exciting when it's not hot, but when it's hot, it's really exciting because then you're like, hey. When it's like 100, it's super exciting. And no joke, if you haven't seen my video where I was here on almost the hottest day of the year, it did not take the record. But I got my maps. I got 2 maps. I got an off-road map and a regular map, and I bought a little pupfish. because it supports the Natural History Center. That would be really cute to have. There's restrooms. That's the hallway to the little picnic area that I like. We've continued on with I am a tourist in Death Valley. We got doves creeping. Hi. We got stuff. And never good stuff. I've got a Coyote pin. This is going on my car. Death Valley National Park, black and white. That's gonna look lovely. These are some postcards to send to some friends. And that's it, I think. Yeah. I'm excited about my pin. I'm gonna put that on my fanny pack. Probably not my backpack, but my fanny pack. I did get one more thing. I knew I got one more thing. It's a tiny sticker. Death Valley National Park. Guessing that's the Mesquite Dunes. I don't know. That might be an interesting rendition of Zabriskie Point, but the Manly Beacon isn't there, so it could be the dunes, it could be the point, or Zabriskie Point. We shall see. Stuff. Now we're gonna go to the Borax Museum. You can hear it. There's no English being spoken because it's hot and all the Americans aren't here. I'm lying. There's probably some Americans here. Right? Yeah. But that's okay. The Borax Museum. I've never been in the Borax Museum. Can you believe that? I can. Why? Because every time I come, it's closed. But this, I never knew about this place. There's covered places. It's shady. The pool behind me used to have water. Doesn't have water anymore. But this is a really nice place to stop and have. I'm sitting on these little benches. It's a really cool place. I think this might be my new secret spot. Actually, I never hardly come to Furnace Creek. What am I talking about? It's not secret either. You just have to actually come to Furnace Creek. But let's go to the Borax Museum. Ice cream parlor with scoops and stuff. I'm going to the Borax Museum, which is right there. But I will report soon about this, maybe in about 20 minutes. Okay, see, but that's okay, because sometimes when you're a tourist and you do stuff, then sometimes they're not open. They should update their website though, because it says that they're open. There's a giant safe from the Tidewater Tonopah. Again, I come here for smashed pennies all the time because I like to send them to viewers like you. Would you like a smashed penny? Maybe I should get some for everybody. I was super excited because they've got the wolf, they got the guardian angel, they've got the Death Valley lucky penny, and the Zabriskie Point. I was gonna get all of them. We were sending them somewhere. And really? No, I do not like that, but that's okay. We're not having 3 strikes and you're out. That ice cream parlor better be open. Third time is a charm. I'm pretty sure they are open, because the sign is out. So let's see what they have and what we're gonna get. Let's run because there's a truck making a delivery. And I know that's a giant ice cream. Let's see what we got. Ooh, it's all nice and quiet. Looks like an old-fashioned ice cream place. This is the menu. We've got milkshakes and waffle cones and 1 scoop. Let's see what I'm gonna get. Ooh. Okay, and then it would be like, yay! Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you. Now we're going outside to sit on a rocker. Hi. See that rocking chair right there? That's got my name all over it. With my big ice cream. Look at that. And this is perfect. Ah. This is just what I needed before I go back out to grab the sunset. It's so good. And my view is lovely. And I'm in a rocking chair. These are those new little casitas that they built. It took, I think a year and a half. So there's cottages. I appreciate that they look like little mini houses. I will look to see if I can find a picture of what they look like inside. And I love the little detail on the top. Now I've been sugared up. Oleanders everywhere. And then I will make a cup of coffee and we will be back on the road because I gotta go get some sunsets. See? They change out those porta potties. That's one good thing about the Park Service. They actually do a good job of keeping things clean. And I hear the dove is in the tree. I hear him. And then here we are again with the electric cars. I am gonna make a pot of coffee, hook up the Osmo, and let's go get Artist Palette and then see the sunset. So on the trail, somebody had asked me about my skirt. And this is what we were talking about. Let's see, set that up here. So here's my skirt. This was made for me. You snap it, and then you cinch it. And I got shorts. And you tie a little bow. And then, okay. Because I used to bike everywhere. I don't have a bike anymore. I still haven't figured that out. But these are not in production anymore. The person who designed them for me, I don't know. Actually, I think I'm gonna keep it rocked like this. Took my other hiking shirt off. And my tank top now. Oh, that sucks. Bioengineered food. I've been slowly eliminating bioengineered food. Well, not slowly. Mainly did a big and then I'm not eating it, but then there's stuff I still have that I never think to check. And this is going to be one of them. But that's okay, because I really like tuna in the desert. And so I will just get the packages of tuna.